Welcome back to the Vegan Lifestyle blog. Today we are going to be sharing a very important recipe. Please see the description area to download and follow along. But first, a disclaimer.
Nature's Penicillin Recipe. Ingredients:
1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, 3 to 5 cloves garlic, 1 whole lemon juiced, ground cayenne pepper to tolerance, honey to taste.
Instructions:
1. Grate ginger. 2. Crush garlic. 3. Add boiling hot water and let steep 3 minutes. 4. Pour lemon juice in a cup. 5. Strain ginger and garlic tea into cup. 6. Add cayenne and honey. 7. Drink before bed, preferably on empty or semi-empty stomach. 8. Get plenty of rest. 9. Drink this up to 3 times daily or until better.
Health alert.
New COVID variant emerging overseas. Get your rest and boost your immunity with this simple recipe. Our world is very connected, so we know nothing stays isolated. However, even if you catch it, your natural immunity is what will help you get better quicker, or cause it to have less deleterious effects on your physique.
The recipe is not unpleasant to taste. The lemon, honey, and ginger override the garlic significantly and goes easy on your taste buds. But do not eliminate the cayenne if you don't like spice. Drink up, stay healthy, and stay safe, everyone.
Please share this video with everyone you can. Thanks for joining us today. Please watch the recommended video on screen. See you next time.